good people. We have here something very interesting. This is Shelter Pet and locally recognized pianist. Start a story, adopt the Shelter Pet Project .org, excuse me. That's the keyboard cat. 8 million plus YouTube videos. So that's an interesting thing. Alright, we'll see what else we can see here. Okay, so here we are at a park right near the river. This is Cherry Street. One of these buildings here is 275 Cherry Street. Very nice day today. You can see the river down there, all the way down there. Oh, there we go. You can see the river over there. Nice breeze coming along. All right, there's the park I was just sitting at. And here is the beginning of a big building that they're building over here, right by the river. Not the beginning, they're pretty well into it. Here's another view of the building. This here is one of the bridges. I think it might be the Manhattan Bridge. Let's get over to the river now. It'll take a minute. We're over by the river now, as you can see. A lot of things going on here, I see. Here's another side of Brooklyn that we didn't see the last video. Here's the bridge. Oh, I think the other bridge down there, that's the one, that's the Manhattan Bridge. The one further down in the distance. We're on the walkway here. Let's go over there. We'll try to get to the pier over there. Start walking a little. Here we have a boat. It says NYPD on it. New York Police Department. That's pretty interesting. Let's continue on. We're getting closer to the pier area over there. We're getting even closer now. Oh look, right over there, a bunch of ducks. Ducks on the water. There we go. In their natural habitats. Right. There they go. Floating on the water. There's the pier right now. Let's continue. Let's continue on. We're getting very close now. Interesting outcropping of large boulders here. We're very close to, this is called Pier 17. I'm 95% sure of that. I used to go here a lot. They used to have a lot of stores, storefronts, and things like that here. We'll see what's going on now. This was the old Fulton fish market. They used to bring all the fish over here. And then across the street, right here, are a lot of seafood restaurants. Various restaurants. Oh, there's something interesting there. Let's take a look at that. It's called Brooklyn Bridge. Right over there, Brooklyn Bridge. Sightseeing. Fulton Fish Market, City of New York, Department of Markets. That's interesting. There's some markets here. They're selling, people selling the wares, their wares. Over there, that is what was the Pier 17. Over there, this is Circle Line. If you want to go around Manhattan, you use this, the Circle Line. You get on one of the boats and you go around. That's an interesting thing to do sometime. To go around Manhattan. So it looks like they're making something else there. Oh, this is Pier 16. Over here we have Harbor, Pier 16, Pier 15, excuse me, Pier 15. So it goes down like that. Oh, this is an interesting thing here. Tacos and burritos, and look at this like an Airstream trailer over here. Tacos and burritos. This looks like a very vintage type old car or trailer. No, it's a trailer that used to be attached to a car. Tacos and burritos. That's from the store over there. That's the tacos and burritos corner over there. Oh, this is interesting. Farm escapes. Weekend getaways. Oh, handmade soaps. That's nice. Hi. Oh, smells very good here from those handmade soaps. Some nice shops over here. Wanted design. Very nice area. Whisper. The name of this is Whisper over here. Oh, the South Street Seaport Museum. Seaport, summer 17. So that's a vibrant oasis in the heart of downtown. This here used to be a bookstore.